Angry, embarrassed, and insulted. That's how most Pakistani fans are feeling right now. The final of the ICC Champions Trophy was shifted out of the host country after India beat Australia in the semi final on Tuesday. But amid all the bitterness, they still have Virat Kohli in their hearts. They hope that after the Indian batter retires, he will express his disappointment at having never played in Pakistan. Hello and welcome to The Print. I am Devdatta, and in Go to Pakistan today, we discuss how Pakistanis reacted to Champions Trophy finale being shifted to Dubai. Pakistan was eliminated early in the prestigious tournament that is being hosted after a gap of 8 years. It's also the biggest ICC tournament being hosted by Pakistan after the 1996 50 over World Cup. But Pakistani fans are disappointed. Ex-user Sana wrote that this whole Champions Trophy saga is a highly embarrassing situation for Pakistan. Lost all matches, lost half of the hosting rights, and now lost the final as well. Extremely shameful for PCB. This sport has been bringing shame and nothing else to us for the past 3 years. Other users agreed. Journalist Arfa Feroz Zaki wrote that Champions Trophy was on a hybrid model. The Indian cricket team did not visit Pakistan. Pakistan was eliminated in the group stage. India played all matches in Dubai. Now the semi-final and final of Champions Trophy is also outside Pakistan. 2025's Champions Trophy has to be one of the worst nightmares for Pakistan cricket. Some fans also took aim at the Pakistan Cricket Board, accusing it of lacking the courage to challenge the hybrid model. One Twitter user wrote that PCB is a coward. They don't have the courage to reject hybrid model, and it was the advantage for India, but it's the same for Pakistan as well. Pakistan also played many matches in Dubai and Karachi. The two Asian champions have seen a reversal of sorts in their fate over the last 2 decades. While India has risen as a cricketing giant, Pakistan has struggled to produce big wins and match the talent pool of its previous generation of players. One Twitter user also noted that the Champions Trophy appeared to be heavily centered around India, which left him wondering what benefits Pakistanis could actually derive from the event. He said that to add insult to injury, the final will now take place in Dubai. An old fan reminisced about the 1996 World Cup that was co-hosted by India, Pakistan and Sri Lanka, in which the island nation went on to win. Ex-user Danny wrote that I suspect that as time moves on, Pakistan will erase from collective consciousness that they hosted this Champions Trophy at all. 96 will be the reference point. But there were debates over that as well. Some were quick to point out how even the 1996 finale was a disaster. The final was then played at the Gaddafi Stadium, where in current time matches were washed out due to poor drainage systems. Former editor Sawahat Zakaria noted that the trophy ceremony was overshadowed by the typical ill management and feudalistic mindset of the PPP, or the Pakistan's People Party, and that Pakistanis had watched it appalled as swarms of people had stormed the stage and it looked like an event arranged for Benazir Bhutto instead of the Sri Lankan team. Rana Tunga could barely lift the cup for the cameras as he got jostled and pushed by the crowd gathered in near darkness. This was before the pre-proper floodlight days. But despite the heartbreak and Pakistan team's poor performance, there was a silver lining. Pakistani fans are convinced that they were good hosts. Journalist Imran Siddiqui wrote that regardless of the team's performance, Pakistan successfully hosted a brilliant ICC Champions Trophy, paving the way for international events in the future. Notably, no team complained of anything during their stay in Pakistan. Sawahat Zakaria agreed and wrote on Twitter that it is unfortunate that Lahore won't be holding the final. But all said and done, this Champions Trophy has been a PR win for Pakistan overall. So many non-Indian cricket fans are waking up to the absurdity of BCCI's hegemony, and many others, including Indians, are able to observe Pakistan in a positive light. In the end, some were hopeful, but mostly for Indian cricketers. Pakistani cricket fan Fahad wrote on Twitter that far into the future, when he is no longer bound by the BCCI and can speak honestly, I think Virat Kohli will express some lament at not ever having played in Pakistan, a place which he holds in high regard, a place with cultural kinship, and a place where he would have excelled. This is Devdatta for The Print. Keep watching for more such videos.